Hello my bunnies, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all another drawing video. This is going to be another speed drawing video of a digital art piece I've worked on. If you read the title and saw the thumbnail, you already know what it is. It is my Cottagecore critter Snail, Melvin, and I think he just came out absolutely adorable. This is almost a complete... Sorry, my hair's in the wrong spot. This is almost a complete... Sorry, ever since I got this angled bob, my hair just does what it wants now. This is almost a complete speed drawing. Like, it's very little cut out, but I am speeding it up. I am speeding it up so that it's a little bit more tolerable to watch. Because if this went on forever, you would just get so tired of it. Because, like, this is a long process. Digital drawing is long. Honestly, I could take an eternity on each piece, but I'm not trying to. That would be forever. Nobody wants to watch that. I've got to get my hair situated later. Oh my god. But anyways, that's what this week's video is. I thought it was going to be a monthly artist feature, but I actually ended up getting this digital drawing done a lot sooner than I thought I would. I'm sorry, I swear to God, I'm going to stop touching the hair. But I got it done super fast. I've already sent in the fox stuff to the manufacturer, which I use Vogue Race to make the button pins and the keychains, so that's going to be here very soon. I'm hoping that it'll be here by the end of September, so that this will be September's release. It will be the Goth Girl sticker, the Fox merchandise, and hopefully the Chubby Dragons. I'm still working on those, but I should have them finished by the end of September, and if so, they will be part of the September drop. So that's quite a few different things to look forward to in the September drop from my Etsy shop. Also, next week's video will probably finally be that monthly artist feature for August. Because, you know, now I'm a little behind again, as per the usual. The hair wasn't in the wrong spot that time, but now it is. It was just bothering me. Okay, I guess y'all are done watching me play with my hair too damn much. So, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I hope you enjoy it. And as always, I will see you guys next week in whatever video it will be. We'll find out by then. And hopefully by then I'll have my hair situated right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Love you guys. Bye-bye, my bunnies.
if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay